The East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association had organized a rally at the MALKI ground Shillong on Saturday to discuss and decide on various issues pertaining to taxi fare and related matters that concern the local taxi drivers of the district. During the rally, the members of the association had re-elected WANDONBOK JYRWA as president of the East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association. Speaking to reporters, WANDONBOK JYRWA informed that the association, along with the support of organizations like the FKJGP, KSU and HNYF, have decided to not compromise with rules of the Motor Vehicles Act of the government, and all decisions taken towards the welfare of the members will be as per collective decision of the Executive Council.
Kami jungi pada kami East Khasi Local Taxi Welfare Association nginyak dah sakmat lah kini ni kita kum pasang ba ngijui train kan nang berkait league mau kursi kata KSU FKGP HNF ngini train kan nang baik halu bisni kokut bat hagi benta dibangi tengku bagi kendon ke motor vehicle act nak kalian jungi nginum randin nginum kompromisi ke sokar nginum kompromisi lu penuh minyak ni kam dah ke nginhap ban esong ban perkhat tak isi om dah ra ke jongas.
WANDONBOK JYRWA also informed that the association has requested the state government through the Transport Department to determine a standard fare for local cabs in the district while keeping a balance between public convenience and welfare of taxi drivers. JYRWA also informed that people with disabilities will not be charged a fare, while for students the association is yet to decide on a special fare for them.
Ini akran maksudkan bahkan long equal bahkan long no than so saki nongbu kali dan nongya kali dan bahkan no than sampai bah no break dan kalian begini ngaji kan pos maksudkan bah kan penbet no motor ini ke dor baik kali bat hak juga pos kalian sorkar yang tahu ngisi penbet namar bahkan jengkil jenghar dengan ikung yang rumah tak nakil bat musulang no bah mentah kiong makinang le research habi dai spare part kali dia on nak ayo buat material habi dai spare part kali suspension door door yang door spare part hangta bisa penbet door baik ini nak sorkar kata dia ke bila dia keren baru transport minister long mentah nak kalian dengin kesang lembu yang no door baik ini andre niat jadi nak kalian dengin yang beli tak than yo pada berkam di benyon than yo pada tapi pada kesan pada nak kalian dengin kesang duduk di por nilai rai ba ya gini disability person pada kam nomor ke door baik ini ya disability person kam nomor ke door baik ini matam tai kena school yang tanya nang door kalian simpan baik hak nomor kom dengan si tendor itu